my gosh.
I wanted to make it. I didn't care about rolling.
Pretty nervous. I think you beat us. For the fourth challenge, we're gonna be in 4 low, no lockers to assist you, anything like that. Literally just 4 low, and the person, of course, with the best timing going up is gonna be the winner. So I may lose on this one. I'm gonna be the first one to go, so we'll see my time, and then I'll set the bar for everybody else. So let's get to this challenge. Before we do, I wanna show you guys where exactly we're at. So as you can tell, if you guys are in 4 low only, no lockers, anything like that, I'm sure you can accomplish it, but if you guys know this section, you know it gets a little bit tough. Towards the top, the rest do get pretty big. So let's get on with the 4th challenge. It looks like everybody's excited. Go. Go. Okay, go. All right, go. Seconds. 25?
What was your time, Jesse?
1:23.
Yeah, I think he won.
to your left. Left. Keep going, keep going. Left a little. Left a little more. Alright, what is it? Okay. Alright, you guys, so for the fourth challenge, of course, we mainly all lost. We're gonna do number 10 now, so we're gonna see how spicy this one is, and then for the fifth challenge, we're gonna do the last one, which would be number 12, and I'm kind of scared for that one. I haven't tried it, and it might be crazy spicy, so let's do this. You guys ready?
Yep.
Yeah. 2 drops.
No, it's red.
Oh!
Every time I look at it. Why is my skin burning?
It's burning?
No.
Oh, is that bad?
Damn.
That'd be... Pull up, pull up.
I think you got a little bit more than me.
All right, man.
Ready?
All right, you guys ready?
Oh my God.
All right, 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh shit, there's some on me.
Oh, that one tastes nasty though. It's actually not that
I didn't
bad.
like all of these. There's still some on.
So now,
JesseRizo is here for you. It's here for you, Like I said, it's super simple. Please feel free to subscribe.